Hello, Mrs. Smith's 5th grade class. This is Kalsoom Hussein, and I'm quickly going to go over some healthy and unhealthy foods with you. So before we do go into a breakdown of examples of healthy and unhealthy carbohydrate sources, protein sources, and fat sources, I would like to talk about some benefits of eating healthy. So some benefits include improvements in your memory and concentration, which is beneficial for when you do your work in school and outside of school when you're at home doing your work. And there are also improvements in your immune system so you don't get sick as much, and there are increases in your energy, whether that be when you play sports or play with your friends outside. So the first portion, we're going to talk about carbohydrates, some healthy versus unhealthy. The healthy options are on the left-hand side, and we see here whole grain and whole wheat bread, apples and oranges, carrots, and cucumbers. So fruits and vegetables are healthy options for carbohydrates, and on the other hand, we have white bread. White bread is the unhealthy option in carbohydrate source. As we see over here on the left-hand side, they're healthy whole grain bread. We also see chips such as Lay's and Doritos, and cookies right here on the bottom. Next, we will talk about protein sources, which are good for your bones and muscles. So for the healthy options, we have chicken, eggs, and for those of you who may not consume animal products, lentils are also a great source of protein. On the other hand, we have unhealthy sources of protein, which include fried foods and foods that are processed, such as sausages right here or hot dogs. So if you see on the healthy and unhealthy side, we both see pictures of chicken, but the difference here is the way that it's cooked. Here on the left, this is either baked or chicken that is cooked on a skillet as opposed to fried chicken, which is unhealthy. So the last part we are going to talk about are fats. So fats are good for lowering certain health risks. So we have avocados and nuts. Nuts are also a great snack which keep you full for longer. Unhealthy fat sources include French fries and donuts. Again, both of these are fried foods, just as we saw in the protein sources, the unhealthy were fried foods, and here for fats we also see foods that are unhealthy that are fried. So if there are any questions, please raise your hand and we will go one by one. Thank you.